Hello everyone, welcome back to Behind Cooking World. Today we're gonna make banana bread. These are the ingredients: 2 cup all-purpose flour, a pinch of baking soda, some salt to make the taste, and 2 butters, some walnuts, and 1.5 cup of brown sugar, 4 eggs, and 4 ripe and smashed bananas. You know why I have this measuring cup? I have it because to measure the all-purpose flour and the brown sugar. Now you have to put baking soda into the all-purpose flour and then add a little bit salt. So let's do it. Now we have to mix it, and mixing is my favorite part. In this bowl, I'm gonna mix butter that we have in this bowl, 2 butters, brown sugar. If you don't want brown sugar, you can always just put white sugar, 4 eggs, ripe and smashed bananas, and walnuts. So let's add. First, I'm gonna mix butter, brown sugar, and 4 eggs. So let's go. Look. Now you can add banana and walnut. So let's do it. Now the walnuts. And you know what time it is. Now I'm gonna add all-purpose to this and then mix it. My favorite part. Mixing. 3, 2, 1. Now it will mix well, so now it's time to turn it off. Everybody, you know what? There's gonna be 3 ways to do it, and we're gonna do all 3 ways. These are the 3 ways. To cook it in the gas oven, and then cook it in the oven too. And you can also do it in air fryer. First, we're gonna do it in the gas stove. For that, we sprinkle a little bit salt. And then you have to heat it for 2 minutes. 2. After 2 minutes, you have to put oil on the baking pan and then spread it all over, and then after that you can put your banana mixer. So let's do it. You know what? I'm gonna sprinkle some chocolate chips because I really like chocolate chips. So let's do it. I'm gonna tap it so there's no air bubbles. Now I'm gonna close the lid and then I'm gonna cook it for 30 minutes. So let's go. This is my favorite part. It's the air fryer. The way to cook it in the air fryer is to put it for 350 degrees and 30 minutes. So let's go. The third way is to do it in the oven and then cook it for 350 degrees, and then also the minutes should be 50. 50. I did not cook it in the oven because I did not have enough batter. So if you do have enough batter, you can cook it in the oven. After 30 minutes, I'm gonna test it. So open the lid. Oh, nothing is sticking. So that means our banana bread is ready. Oh look, it looks like the banana bread in the air fryer is also ready. And this time it looks like chocolate cake. Let me check it and see if it's done. Oh look, it's nothing sticking. So our banana bread is done. Now let your banana bread cool for a little bit, and then I'll show you a slice and taste it. This one is from the gas stove and this one from the air fry. They both look like chocolate cake, but the inside has the banana taste. This smells so good. I just really want to eat it, so I'm gonna eat it. Now I'm gonna taste it. Super good. Amazing. Now I'm gonna taste the air fried one. I'm gonna take one more bite because it is so delicious, like so delicious. So here we go. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe and hit the bell button. See you later.